was one of the very first on the market. And we look at respiration, and we look at blood pressure, and we look at heart rate variability, we look at EKG, we look at EMG, which is muscle tension and relaxation. We look at respiration, we look at galvanic skin response, which is that electrodermal skin current. We look at temperature. We look at all of those parameters in the Physio Suite. Then we went and looked at saliva test and urine testing, because I wanted to know what kind of endocrine picture does this do? Is it going to do good things for your endocrine system or not? Is it going to go do good things for your gut or not? Well, it actually does some really cool stuff for your gut. You know how you're not supposed to make medical claims? Someday I'm going to talk him into changing his mind. One of the cool things that we got was we did memory tests with this. Anybody here over the age of 29? Over the age of 29, one occasionally has a graceful moment. And so we added a memory test, because a whole lot of the folks that I was testing, actually the mean age was 61 for this particular study. And we looked at sleep, because people as they age have more trouble sleeping. Now, personally, I'm a devotee of dark chocolate. Dark chocolate. Yes, I can engage my brain before putting my mouth in the ear. And we only looked at the patch in this particular study for a week. We're doing some more extensive work now. But it does some really cool things immediately. 24 hours, and there are already significant changes. 24 hours, and there are already significant changes. And I have the hard science data to prove it. It lowers blood pressure. It improves sleep. It improves muscle relaxation. And just for the record, for those of you that have science backgrounds, I don't do my own statistics. I put the raw data on spreadsheets, and they go to Dr. Jens Eckhoff, who is at University of Wisconsin-Madison, and a statistics guru. And he's the person who does my statistics. So there's no question that the statistics are absolutely clean. There were 16 amino acid changes. Now, I want to put that in perspective for you. I went out over the last day or so, and I did some looking on PubMed. And for those of you that don't know what PubMed is, it's the National Library of Science database of basically much of the published research in the US and around the world. And I did two searches. The first search that I did, I looked at amino acid metabolism, and there were 1,028,015 studies. Okay? And then I specifically looked at studies that looked at changes in amino acid metabolism, and there were 10,054. And I hadn't had a chance to do it until last night, but I actually went through the first 1,000 of those 10,000. I looked at one after the next, after the next. There is no study that I could find in that first 1,000 that compared with the number of statistically significant amino acid changes that this product produces. It's yummy. It's my giggle and giggle, yes. And we found that everybody who wore the patch had a good experience. I didn't have anybody who had any kind of complications. We didn't have to stop the study for any reason. They're called adverse events in research. We didn't have it. That's always nice too. So this is the data. Now, I don't know how well you can see the colors in the back, but look at this column that's all the way over on this side. Everything red is statistically significant. Everything red. The things that are blue are almost there, a 0.06 instead of a 0.05. Gee, I'm sorry. We had 1.06, 2.06, 3.06 in that grouping. So we just missed on those three. Okay? Improved sleep. Day 1 to day 2, 0.06. Just missed statistical significance, but we had absolute statistical significance within 7 days. Okay? How many deal with insomnia that are over 29? It's something that I work with occasionally, and one of the things that happened to me when I tested this out personally was it improved. This is muscle relaxation. Americans do neck and shoulders. Hello, people. It's not that hard to relax. Only it is, because Americans do stress. Okay? This is the, where David is a Marvel fan, I'm a Harry Potter fan. So this is an S word. It's the Slytherin aspect, you know? So, as you're looking at this, more zeros is more better. Okay? 0.004. Okay? 0.05 is statistically significant. 0.004, and we keep going. All right? These are huge effects. Not the kind of thing you would normally expect. All right. These are the amino acids. One after the next, after the next. What I saw in PubMed was they would get 1 or 2. They had nothing like this. Keeps on going. And you'll notice that the important ones do the shifting. The ones that you really want to have. Anti-inflammatory effects. Okay? Really, really, really important. All right? Glutamate, histamine. What does glutathione do? Does anybody know? It's antioxidant. It cleans up toxins in the body, clears them out through the liver, and it's made in the liver. This improves that too. It does all of the things that David's already talked about, but it does other things as well, which is funny. This is an actual transsulfuration pathway. You can see that it goes from cystathiazone to cysteine to, yes, exactly. So we're talking about the 3 component pieces, all right? Glycine, histidine, and lysine. What this pathway is showing you, and I can't say more than this, is some very cool things. That's the histamine pathway. Okay? 2 out of 3 so far. And if you go back and look,